What if I told you that every single email sitting in your inbox, every bank statement, every personal message, every private document you have ever received is being read? Not by a human, but by an AI running silently in the background of your Gmail app every single day. I am Ahmed and welcome back to the channel. If you care even a little bit about your privacy, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Because today I'm going to show you exactly what's happening inside your Gmail app and more importantly, how to stop it just in a couple of taps. Let's get one thing straight from the beginning. Gmail is not just an email app. For most people, it's basically the master key to their entire digital life. Your shopping orders, your banking alerts, your medical records, your login confirmations, all of it flows through that one inbox. And here's what Google doesn't make obvious to you. The moment you install Gmail and sign in, artificial intelligence gets to work reading every email that comes in and every email you send out. It doesn't matter whether you open those emails yourself or not, the AI is scanning all of it in order to offer you features that, honestly, most of us never even asked for. Let me show you exactly what I mean. Open up Gmail on your phone right now. Tap into any email you have received. Scroll down to the bottom and you may see those little suggested reply buttons sitting there. Things like thanks or got it or sounds great. That's AI. It reads your email, decide what you probably wanted to say and pre-wrote a reply for you. Here's the honest question though. Do you actually use those? Because I personally have never even once tapped one of those suggestions. I hit reply and I write my own message. So the AI reads my email to offer me something I don't even use. That's the trade-off we're talking about. Now, let me show you something else. Tap those three horizontal bars in the top left corner of your Gmail app right here. You will see a whole list of folders, promotions, social, updates, spam, important. Every single one of those folders was created and managed by artificial intelligence. The AI decides on your behalf which emails are important and which ones get buried. And let me tell you, it doesn't always get it right. I personally had someone send to me a genuine important email with a real offer or a real question, and it got sorted straight into promotions. I missed it completely. I only found it days later, so not only is the AI reading all your emails, it's sometimes making the wrong call about what matters to you. And while we are at it, there is a third feature you have probably noticed without thinking much about it. When you're composing a new email, you start typing a word. The AI immediately tries to finish your sentence for you. Sometimes it's convenient, sometimes it's completely off, and sometimes you end up having to delete what it suggested and retype your own words anyway. The point is, for all three of these features to work, every email you write and receive has to be continuously scanned and analyzed. That's just the reality of how it operates. Now, here's the good news. You can turn all of this off, and it takes less than a minute. Here's exactly what you do. Open Gmail, tap the three bars in the top left, go to Settings by scrolling down right here, and then tap on your email address. Scroll down until you see a checkbox that says Google Workspace Smart Features. Tap on it. This is the main box. When these options are enabled here, Google uses the content of your emails, your chats, your videos, all of it to personalize these services for you. Uncheck those boxes. A prompt might appear summarizing what you are turning off. Hit disable to confirm if asked. Now, here's something important again. Go back one page and here's a second checkbox that says Smart Features. This means Google can use your Gmail data across other apps and services too. Make sure that one is unchecked as well. On some phones, these options disable together automatically. On the others, you'll need to turn off the second one separately, so always double check. The options will be quite similar, so you can just check it in this page. If you have multiple Google accounts linked in Gmail, you will need to repeat this for each one. I know that sounds like extra steps, but it generally takes about 30 seconds per account. And here's the thing, if you turn it off and after a few days you feel like you missed those features, you can always come back and switch them right back on. There is no permanent decision here, but most people, once they turn it off, never turn it back on because the features sounds more useful than they are actually in our daily day-to-day life. Your privacy is worth more than a suggested reply you will never tap. Take 30 seconds and make the switch. And hey, if this video opened your eyes, you're definitely going to want to watch my previous video where I covered how Android phones are quietly leaking your data through a hidden feature most people have never heard of it. So make sure you check that video after you're done watching this one. So go watch it, and I'll see you in the next one.